Hi, we have created next page loading, and now we need to create previous page loading, right? Previous page loading. Actually, it's very similar to the above, except for we need to use previous page token in here, and then we need to change next to previous, and then in here next to previous. So we've got changed here, we've got changed here, we've got changed in here, and then let's see if it works. So reload the page. We still haven't added any functionality to the page info, so we don't expect anything. So previous, okay, when we click on previous, we don't get anything because we actually don't have anything there. But when we click next, we get next page, and then when we click previous, it should take us back, which is not happening at this time. Let's see. Oh, excuse me. You see, we forgot to change in here. What's this? Because we need to click on previous button, right? We need to add listener onto previous button. So now let's see. Now when we're clicking on it, it's giving us undefined because we got nothing. Previously, we need to work on this. Then otherwise it's gonna do some strange things then. So this is next page, this, and then let's go back to previous page. This was the previous page, yeah. So when we click on this, you see it's doing nothing, right? It's just going to the previous page where it doesn't exist. So it's giving us undefined. Let's do something to 8. We need to do something to 8. So we're getting this undefined, right? So let's add some condition then. If we get this undefined, then we need to do something. If we get this undefined, let's clear it out from the page, right? This style.display should display no button when it is undefined, and else if it's not undefined, then simply prev.style.display display inline block. So we will have both buttons on the same line. Let's see if this works. So we've got excuse my internet. Oh, okay, now you see the previous button is not there because it's undefined. We don't have any previous page there. And then if we click on next, we are now on the next page, and then we have previous page now. So it appeared in here and it says we have previous page. So if we click on here, it takes us to the first page, to the main first page, and there's no previous page, so it disappeared. So this function is working now, and now we have one function left to add for now. We're still in get page, so we need to, let's take this up. So So let's see if this is, yeah, let's see, we're still in the get page. Now in the next video, I'd like to create page info function. So see you there then. Thank you so much.